Hey guys, today's day 89, and I really wanted to get like a bunch of stuff done and inking and all that kind of stuff and just work. But I just got off work. I'm tired, and I decided to stay up because I ended up taking a nap before I went to work, which kind of wasted a few hours. So I didn't get what I wanted done. So I'm just going to stay up now. So I did get a little bit. Well, I mean, I worked on that print that I did for the cover. Well, that I'm going to use for the cover of the booklet. So lightened that up a bit, and I was playing around with some stuff. And then I just started to dig further into Kablam and kind of set up my profile and basically get everything ready. Because I need to hurry up and try and order those, or at least order something and see what the process is like. And I did just buy two shirts, or one of each of the shirt designs that I have up. So that should be here in about 2 weeks, and I'll probably throw them on a few friends and like take pictures and whatnot. Tell them to share it on their social media. Um, Yeah, so I guess that's the 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 work I've done today, and I'm gonna do a bit more inking. Well, a lot more inking. Um, and I guess you'll see me in a few hours when I upload the video for tomorrow. So yeah, sorry no Photoshop, but I really just want to get this video up so I can just work, and I'll show you guys some stuff tomorrow. Appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.